it's a great and amazing day para sa'yo. Indeed, it's a great and amazing day. Kasi inalaw niyang muli, di ba, na magkita-kita kayo, magkasama-sama kayo ng mga loved ones mo. Malakas at malusog ang pangangatawan ng bawat isa, wherein nagsa-celebrate ang lahat. Kasi you have this life now that you will consider blessed, favored, di ba? Covered by the most holy high God. Yet, posible na akala mo binabato ka ng problema ngayon, marami kang hinanaing, marami kang unos na pinagdaraanan ngayon, and then you feel that no one's care for you, wala man lang nakakaalala sa'yo. Let me remind you that anumang season, anumang reason ang meron ka ngayon para magpatuloy, just bear in your heart and in your mind that you are not alone. Constant siguro, posible na wala tayong makausap. Wala man lang nangangamusta or someone na masasabihan mo kung ano ba yung tunay na nasa sa loob mo. Rest assured that our good God is always available. He is always willing to listen. He is always waiting for you. May our good God shower you abundance in everything na kinakailangan mo at kakailanganin mo pa in the future. He is love, and may that love continue na i-sustain, i-nourish ka in all aspect of your life. Still be a blessing to many. Spread that love that you have right now. Enjoy!